Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chris Miller, and welcome back to another episode of Life in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. On today's episode of Life in Dubai, we are going to discuss on the new passport that was launched by the Nigeria government, the new temporary passport. Now, on the 9th of this month, which is March 9, 2021, the Nigeria government launched new temporary passport for Nigerians in diaspora. Not those ones that is in Nigeria. Nigerians outside Nigeria, maybe if you don't have passport, maybe your passport get lost, they stole it, or anything that makes you not to have an international passport in outside Nigeria. Now you are opportune to get this temporary passport, then go back to your country, then you can do the new passport. I think that is the strategy. Now, but there are some things that you need to be informed about this passport. They said that the passport replaced the DI paper-based emergency travel certificate. No, this certificate is normally issued when you have an emergency and you don't have passport. Maybe you don't have passport, so you have to go to the embassy. The embassy will, try to secure you this emergency paper, travel paper, whatever. So, but this passport now has replaced that particular one. So, once you get the reason why they bring this passport, according to the news, according to the Ministry of Interior, they said that the reason why they have to bring this passport is that they have a security risk on this particular paper type. This one is just normal paper now that they normally print, just documents. So they have security risk, or whatever they call it, security risk or whatever. So that was the reason why they come up with the passport, which has your original data page. Yes, and which has your original data page. So this passport, another thing that you need to know about this passport is that it can be only issued in Nigeria embassy in diaspora, meaning the high authority Nigerians can, like the embassies, Nigeria consulate in Dubai, Nigeria embassy in Abu Dhabi. Those people are the ones that can handle it, that can issue it. Even your normal international passport, we all know that you cannot get your international passport apart from the embassy. So it can be only issued at the embassy. Now, another thing is that the color of this our international passport, the color is, I think, is green. The color is green, our international passport, but this one is dark blue. So there's a difference. And again, what you need to know is that they will collect it on your arrival. So basically it's 1 month. Another thing that it is 1 month, 30 days. 30 days is the from the issuing date. I think it's 30 days to expire. It's valid for 30 days. You understand? So it's valid for 30 days, and when you get when you return home, reach at the airport, the immigration is going to collect the passport from you because it is temporary. Then you can go and do your new international passport. I think that is the strategy. Now again, there's the price. There's no price for now. Yeah, there is no price for now. So it's just the information that I got that I'm giving out like this. So if the price in any way come out, because the embassy, basically the same day that this thing was issued, that was the same day that the Nigerian embassy was closed temporarily, that they are going to open on the 16th. So I guess it is in line with this particular thing. So we hope that it's a good move. And for those of you that is in UAE, that maybe you don't have passport, it is time for you to take that particular chance to go and visit your family home. then prepare yourself and come back. Or if you have a chance to go to another country, you go to another country. But it is time for you to go back home, re-strategize yourself, and you can come back. Don't stay here illegal, because definitely if you don't have passport here, definitely you are illegal in this country. So, and for you to be able to go back to your country, you have to get this temporary passport. So it's a good news for those of us, or those of you that don't have a passport in UAE or any part of the world. If you don't have a passport, I think is a very good thing that you go to the embassy after they must have come up with the price and the complete the yeah, after they have come up with the price and everything. So you can go to, I will keep you guys updated once the price come outside, or once they announce the price, or I will let you guys know. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just the information I got to pull out today. My name is Chris Samil, and this is Life in Dubai. Here we'll bring you everything that you need to know about Dubai. We have discussed about everything. If you haven't watched most of my videos where I've talked about why you have to come to UAE or why you should not come to UAE, go to my channel, check. You will see most topics that you need to, most topics that is related to what you want to know. You can check from that place. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. I'm going to respond to you. And don't forget, if you have any problem with your job, the right authority is here in UAE to direct you, and that is the Ministry of Labor. So you can call them on 80060. That is the number to the Ministry of Labor in UAE. So if you have any inquiries concerning your job and your contract, or if it's a very simple case, you can go to my channel. I've talked about limited and unlimited contract. I've talked about the travel ban, how to lift your travel ban, how to get your travel ban, different type of travel ban. All is in my channel. So just go and check out what you want to know about your company. It's all in my channel. Every information is here. So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chris Samil, and this is Life in Dubai. If you never subscribe, subscribe. If you never like. If you never share. If we're gonna help my career. My name is Chris Samil, and this is Life in Dubai.
Baby,